Welcome to our channel. If you need to cash a check without a bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to find safe and affordable options. Step 1. Take your check to the bank that issued it for free cashing. The bank the check is drawn from will typically cash it at no charge, though you'll need valid identification. Step 2. Use retail stores like Walmart that offer low-cost check cashing services. Walmart charges $4 for checks up to $1,000 and $8 for larger checks, significantly less than traditional check cashers. Step 3. Visit your local credit union and ask about their check cashing services. Some credit unions will cash checks for non-members for a small fee. Step 4. Try grocery stores with check cashing services at customer service counters. Many major chains cash payroll and government checks for reasonable fees. Step 5. Use a prepaid debit card with mobile check deposit capability. Services like Bluebird by American Express allow you to deposit checks via mobile app and access funds with the card. Step 6. Avoid high-fee check cashing stores as a last resort. These businesses charge 1 to 10% of the check amount, which can be extremely expensive for larger checks. Step 7. Bring proper identification, including a government-issued photo ID. All check cashing services require verification of your identity before providing cash. Step 8. Consider opening a basic checking account to avoid fees long-term. Many banks offer no-fee accounts with no minimum balance requirements that make check cashing free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.